Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I am doing great.
Did your family help recently?
Yes, they helped me yesterday.
Who supports you the most?
My parents support me most.
Why is family support important?
Family support builds strong confidence.
Do your parents encourage dreams?
Yes, they encourage my dreams.
Who gives you useful advice?
My father gives useful advice.
Does your family motivate hard work?
Yes, they motivate hard work.
Who comforts you during sadness?
My mother comforts me lovingly.
Do siblings help your problems?
Yes, my siblings help often.
Why do you love family support?
Because it brings endless happiness.
Who wakes you every morning?
My mother wakes me daily.
Does your mother cook favorite meals?
Yes, she cooks delicious meals.
Who helps during difficult situations?
My family helps every situation.
Do your parents teach responsibility?
Yes, they teach responsibility carefully.
Who inspires your future goals?
My parents inspire future goals.
Does your family celebrate achievements?
Yes, they celebrate achievements happily.
Who listens to your worries?
My sister listens carefully always.
Do grandparents share life lessons?
Yes, they share valuable lessons.
Who helps your school projects?
My brother helps school projects.
Does family improve your confidence?
Yes, family improves my confidence.
Who supports your hobbies most?
My parents support hobbies greatly.
Do cousins spend time together?
Yes, we enjoy time together.
Who encourages healthy daily habits?
My mother encourages healthy habits.
Does your family respect opinions?
Yes, they respect every opinion.
Who helps during stressful moments?
My parents help stressful moments.
Do parents teach kindness daily?
Yes, they teach kindness daily.
Who motivates your education goals?
My father motivates education goals.
Does your family enjoy vacations?
Yes, we enjoy vacations together.
Who shares funny family memories?
My cousins share funny memories.
Do siblings protect you always?
Yes, they protect me always.
Who buys gifts during birthdays?
My parents buy birthday gifts.
Does family encourage better decisions?
Yes, family encourages wise decisions.
Who helps your emotional struggles?
My mother helps emotional struggles.
Do relatives visit during holidays?
Yes, relatives visit during holidays.
Who teaches valuable life skills?
My father teaches life skills.
Does family support improve happiness?
Yes, support improves overall happiness.
Who guides your important choices?
My parents guide important choices.
Do parents help homework regularly?
Yes, they help homework regularly.
Who teaches respect toward others?
My mother teaches respect daily.
Does family support reduce loneliness?
Yes, support reduces loneliness greatly.
Who motivates your personal growth?
My family motivates personal growth.
Do siblings share responsibilities equally?
Yes, we share responsibilities equally.
Who reminds you stay positive?
My sister reminds positive thinking.
Does family support your dreams?
Yes, they support my dreams.
Who helps during family emergencies?
My family helps emergencies quickly.
Do grandparents tell interesting stories?
Yes, they tell amazing stories.
Who gives encouragement before exams?
My parents encourage before exams.
Does family support your confidence?
Yes, Family supports my confidence.
Who helps solve personal problems?
My brother solves personal problems.
Do relatives attend family celebrations?
Yes, relatives attend celebrations happily.
Who teaches honesty and discipline?
My parents teach honesty carefully.
Does your family value education?
Yes, they value education highly.
Who supports your creative talents?
My family supports creative talents.
Do parents understand your feelings?
Yes, they understand my feelings.
Who encourages healthy eating habits?
My mother encourages healthy eating.
Does family support reduce stress?
Yes, support reduces stress greatly.
Who celebrates your success proudly?
My parents celebrate success proudly.
Who helps improve communication skills?
My family improves communication skills.
Does your family enjoy dinners?
Yes, we enjoy dinners together.
Who supports your difficult decisions?
My parents support difficult decisions.
Do parents encourage reading books?
Yes, they encourage reading books.
Who teaches patience and understanding?
My grandparents teach patience kindly.
Does family support build confidence?
Yes, support builds strong confidence.
Who helps during financial problems?
My family helps financial problems.
Do relatives offer emotional support?
Yes, relatives offer emotional support.
Who motivates exercise and fitness?
My brother motivates exercise daily.
Does your family respect traditions?
Yes, we respect family traditions.
Who helps with household chores?
My siblings help household chores.
Do parents encourage polite behavior?
Yes, parents encourage polite behavior.
Who supports your career ambitions?
My family supports career ambitions.
Does family support increase motivation?
Yes, support increases motivation greatly.
Who comforts you after failures?
My mother comforts after failures.
Do siblings enjoy family gatherings?
Yes, siblings enjoy gatherings together.
Who teaches responsibility and independence?
My father teaches responsibility daily.
Does family support improve relationships?
Yes, support improves relationships greatly.
Who reminds you achieve goals?
My parents remind achieving goals.
Do grandparents support family unity?
Yes, grandparents support family unity.
Who helps during emotional struggles?
My family helps emotional struggles.
Does family support create happiness?
Yes, support creates lasting happiness.
Who encourages positive thinking daily?
My mother encourages positive thinking.
Do parents help plan future?
Yes, parents help future planning.
Who teaches forgiveness and compassion?
My grandparents teach forgiveness kindly.
Does family support strengthen confidence?
Yes, support strengthens confidence greatly.
Who supports your sports activities?
My family supports sports activities.
Do relatives enjoy holiday celebrations?
Yes, relatives enjoy holiday celebrations.
Who helps improve study habits?
My sister improves study habits.
Does family support bring comfort?
Yes, support always brings comfort.
Who gives guidance during confusion?
My father gives helpful guidance.
Do siblings encourage teamwork sometimes?
Yes, siblings encourage teamwork sometimes.
Who motivates your daily routines?
My parents motivate daily routines.
Does family support create security?
Yes, support creates strong security.
Who reminds you stay focused?
My mother reminds staying focused.
Do parents support difficult choices?
Yes, parents support difficult choices.
Who teaches gratitude and respect?
My grandparents teach gratitude daily.
Does family support improve mental strength?
Yes, support improves mental strength.
Who helps during unexpected challenges?
My family helps unexpected challenges.
Do grandparents encourage family traditions?
Yes, grandparents encourage family traditions.
Who supports your learning journey?
My parents support learning journey.
Does family support inspire confidence?
Yes, support inspires strong confidence.
Who helps maintain family happiness?
My mother maintains family happiness.
Do siblings enjoy helping each other?
Yes, siblings help each other.
Who encourages your artistic talents?
My family encourages artistic talents.
Does family support strengthen relationships?
Yes, support strengthens relationships greatly.
Who motivates your positive attitude?
My father motivates positive attitude.
Do parents guide your behavior?
Yes, parents guide behavior carefully.
Who teaches importance of honesty?
My father teaches honesty importance.
Does family support improve communication?
Yes, support improves communication skills.
Who helps during stressful school days?
My family helps stressful school days.
Do relatives support family activities?
Yes, relatives support family activities.